Hi, it's Mike here from DPF Tech. Recently upgraded my smoke generator. Smoke generators are integral to accurate diagnosis of DPF systems. They're used to inject smoke into the induction side of the engine system. As you can see, this is my old unit. It's only capable of delivering 3 litres of gas, and this thing maxed out at just, I think it's 12 psi. I was finding that there were a couple of times when my old unit didn't find certain air leaks, so we upgraded to the Autel. This is capable of delivering 22 psi at 6 litres. Makes an accurate diagnosis a lot easier. If you have any issues with your DPF system, just give me a call and make an appointment.